awesome, bro, because we feed off each other, we learn things off each other, we have ideas about where other providers might be stuck with stuff, so we're able to have a kōrero and support each other, through the process. And any future engagement with them can be over a phone call or an email about how they're feeling about stuff and what ideas they might come up with to mitigate different spaces in the court system.
Whānau is first from everyone in the room. Everyone prioritises the whānau first, and that's the key part of Te Ao Mārama. So yeah, I've just been loving the whole fact that we're all coming together to share everyone's experiences, and that just gives us all a bigger picture of how we can go forward.
It was an awesome day yesterday, getting to see everybody, meeting new people, and just seeing how far Te Ao Mārama has come so far and the potential it has to carry on.
What I like about it that we have young and old part of this kaupapa. The older ones, of course, are being available to give a bit of history on in the kaupapa of family violence, and having the younger ones asking questions and able to answer them because of the amount of time we've spent in that space.
How the delivery's been in regards to the iwi providers that have been already in this space. For myself, I'm here to absorb pretty much what does work rather than what doesn't, so that we don't go repeating that down in Here. So it gives us the clean canvas to work forward instead of progression. I guess progression is in, you sort of take those steps as you come and you sort of work through the things that don't serve the kaupapa of Te Ao Mārama.